Alrighty, Chef Buck here, and check this out, man. My sweet tooth was acting up, so I had to throw together this baked pear dish. Takes a little bit of time to cook, but it's super easy to throw together. I got some Anjou pears. You want to use a firm baking pear. I peeled them up, and then I sliced them in half and took the core out. And then that's it. Our pears are prepped. At this point, we want to get an oven-safe baking dish and go ahead and butter it all along the bottom lightly. Don't go too crazy with the butter. And then take your sliced pears and put them sliced side down. Use 3 or 4 pears, whatever it takes to fill up your little baking dish. And then we're going to throw together our little creamy topping. It's some heavy whipping cream, a little bit of superfine baker's sugar. We're going to throw in some vanilla extract, some cinnamon, and then some finely grated ginger, some fresh ginger. Make sure you mince it up super duper fine. Throw that in there with a little bit of orange zest. I zested the entire skin of this orange, because it adds a nice flavor and brightness. Then go ahead and whisk it up, get everything blended. And then we're gonna take this creamy topping here and we're gonna pour it all over our pears. It's not gonna cover them completely, but it's, about halfway. You're just gonna have a little hump of pear sticking out. Look how gorgeous that looks. You can put a straw in there and suck that up, but instead we're gonna bake it in the oven, 375 degrees. It's gonna take about 45 minutes, 50 minutes, maybe even an hour, depending on your oven. But about every 15 or 20 minutes, take it out of the oven and we're gonna baste our pears up. Just take some of this creamy topping and kind of disperse it all around the top of your pears, keep it mixed up, And then, over time, it's gonna brown up. That sauce is gonna reduce. It's gonna become super duper sweet. It's gonna get a great golden color. And at this point, boom, it's ready to go. Look how fantastical that looks. It almost reminds me of a bread pudding, the way it tastes. But it's pears, so that's almost healthy, right? Who are we kidding? But that sauce, it thickens up quickly, as it cools down. And look how lovely that is, Needed a little bit of color, so I threw some maraschino cherries on there. But, put some toasted nuts if you want, or some whipped cream, it's perfecto. Alrighty, what do you think, camera girl?
I think the ginger is great. Plus it got butter and whipped cream.
Super duper delicious. Real easy. Little baked pears with some ginger and orange zest. Threw some maraschino cherries on there just for a little bit of color, but you can put some more orange zest on there. Or toasted walnuts. Man, I think next time I'll do the toasted walnuts. But camera girl, she just made it in time, man. Disappearing fast. Go ahead and give this recipe a try. Let me know what you're thinking. Bon appetit. Boom, there you have it. Muy fantastico. Super simple, luxuriant. When it cools down, you can almost take a bath in that dish. It's so good. But definitely try it out. Like the video, share it, subscribe, spread the joy baked pears around the globe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the future.